Guys, we are now in Mount Pukis. Seems like they killed a cow or carabao here because the smell is very, seems like the smell is somewhat, there's some kind of killings here and it seems fresh. I don't know, I think they kill something here. So this is the beauty of Mount Pukis. Actually what you see here is the municipality of Bontoc, and I think the sea of clouds, and of course the sea of clouds would be far better if the clouds is the sea of clouds is are many and they are good enough to take a picture when the clouds are like this on this level and the sun rays coming that way, going that way is will rise and it will light up the sea of clouds. Then the color of sea of clouds on the top of the clouds is color yellow, yellow orange, or orange red, orange yellow, something like that. It depends on the sun rays. So this is the beauty of Mount Pukis. Here in this area. So I think I just need to take a picture and the pictures that I'm taking, I'm posting them on my Facebook page, which is Crispin Ang Sofan Fariangan. Just search that on Facebook and click the because I have two Facebook page which was named Crispin Ang Sofan Fariangan, but choose the photos or post, then see the recent post, the page who is actively posting a recent post, then click that, and that is my active Facebook page. But you can message me on those both Facebook page because I'm opening those two Facebook page. But speaking of posting, I'm only posting on my one Facebook page. But reaching out or on contacting me, then you can contact me on those different Facebook page or on my profile, on my Facebook profile, which is si Crispin Ang Sofan Fariangan. But I don't post, I seldomly post on my profile, but I'm sharing my the post of my Facebook page on that profile, and that profile is what I'm very active. If you want to contact me, and if you want if you want to contact me, then contact me on my profile because that is my active profile and what I'm using to on Messenger. But I'm also opening my two of my profile of my Facebook pages. If there is messages on my profiles, then it will pop up on my Messenger and I'll open them. But if nothing will pop up on my Facebook page, then I'm only signing in my Messenger is automatically on my profile. But if the Messenger will send me a notification, or there's a notification on my Messenger that I have a message on my Facebook pages, then I'll switch the profiles, switch account, and I can be able to reach you out. It depends on you on how do you reach me. As I've just said, here in Maligcong, something like Mount Kupapoy, Mount Fatu, Mount here in Mount Pokis, you can reach me out if you want to hike with me or have a trail run, exercise or training, or adventure, hiking, taking pictures, camping. Reach me out. I'm available, and I'm available anytime, any season, whatever the weather is. And outside the Barangay Maligcong, or in Mountain Province, or outside or in the Philippines, other part of the Philippines, if you want to sponsor someone just for you to have an you have someone talking with, or someone hiking with, or hanging out with, then I'm available. As long as of course, as long as you will sponsor all foods, accommodations, travel, and some of my personal things. If I'm running out of my personal things because I don't have money. But speaking of adventure, of course, I'm also curious to hike on mountains, to take pictures, because I'm a nature lover. I love taking pictures, taking videos, and I love hiking, because honestly, when I'm still 6 years old, my father is letting me join him to go to the forest and see the carabaos, or pasturing his carabaos, going beyond the boundary of Maligcong and the municipality of Sadanga. Yeah, going in those boundaries, going to Barangay Tukukan, Barangay Mainit, Ginaang, hiking, that is only hiking. And sometimes we don't have any lunch with us, and we don't have any water. But somehow, when I'm older, I stopped going to the forest, and when I started going hiking again when I'm in grade 7, just for fun. I just want to lose weight. I started jogging, hiking, in the trails, in the forest, something like that, just to lose my weight, up until I fall in love with it, and I discovered that I'm a nature lover. I love taking pictures of the beauty of nature's flowers, something like those. So reach me out. So guys, I end the video here, and I'll update you later on, because I'll take pictures here and post it on my social media, on my Facebook page. So yeah, I'll update you later on, guys, because after taking pictures, I just want to go down there, that area, and in that area, up in that area. But because there's the view in that area also is amazing in that area and in that area. But I think that's it for today, because it's my first time to run again on this week, and last week I only ran once after 3 to 4 weeks of without running. So I think I need to do it one step at a time first, not just because I'm feeling great today. All my knee, my feet, my upper body, my mind, my mental health, and I'm motivated to run today doesn't mean I need to put all my all, because after all my body is just a mess, will just get worse, injured, something like that. So I think you do the same, but as long as you are training every day, or two times a day, or 3 to 4 times a week, or 5 times a week, 6 times a week, or every day, then that's the, I think that is where you will add your adventure area, add your route, add the difficulty of what you're hiking or running, something like that. But today that we are only running, I think for 2 weeks, today is my day 2 to train, so I don't need to overdo it. Though I know that I'm relaxed today, but hey, one step at a time. Basic is a must. Basic is the most important. So guys, I now take a picture. And today is 11:48 a.m.